it's Chelsea Silverman here at Juiceteria, and I'm going to show you how to make a nice prune juice right now. So I have the dried prunes that are soaking in some filtered water, help soften them up a bit, and then we're going to put that in the juicer and follow it with some fresh filtered water. This will make it not a strong prune juice, but a nice light prune juice where you'll get the benefits of the prunes, but it won't be so heavy on your stomach, and you most likely won't be just running to the bathroom. So let's get it started. And there we have it, prune juice, y'all. So, I'll go ahead and take a swig of this. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add the water that the prune juice was soaking in, because why not? It's still considered prune juice, right? In a way. Just for some extra sweetness. And now I'll take a sip. Very good. Very light. It's actually really good. So go ahead and try this at home and enjoy. Cheers to your health.